Hello, beautiful people. Are you dreaming of embodying the timeless elegance and charm of the old money aesthetic? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore how to effortlessly achieve that sophisticated look without breaking the bank. Imagine walking into a room and instantly commanding attention, not because of flashy logos or loud outfits, but because of your refined style that whispers class and confidence. In this video, I promise to share some valuable tips that will help you not only look stunning, but also feel empowered in your everyday life. We'll dive into practical outfit ideas that highlight your unique personality while embracing the understated luxury that old money represents. From classic staples to modern twists, each suggestion is designed to elevate your wardrobe and inspire your creativity. But before we jump in, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the old money style? Have you tried incorporating any elements of it into your outfits? Let's chat about it in the comments below. Your insights and experiences could inspire others in our community. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of timeless sophistication? Let's get started on this stylish journey together. Now, let's dive deeper into the world of the old money aesthetic. This style is so much more than just clothing. It's a lifestyle that embodies elegance, sophistication, and a certain understated luxury. Think of it as a way to express your individuality while also embracing classic fashion principles that have stood the test of time. At its core, the old money aesthetic emphasizes timeless pieces that are well made and versatile. We're talking about high quality fabrics, tailored cuts, and colors that never go out of style. This approach not only elevates your wardrobe, but also aligns with the current trends of sustainability and conscious consumerism. Investing in fewer high quality items can actually save you money in the long run. You might wonder how this relates to modern fashion. Well, many contemporary designers are drawing inspiration from the old money look, incorporating elements like clean lines, classic silhouettes, and luxurious textures into their collections. This means you have a wealth of options to choose from, making it easier than ever to put together outfits that reflect this refined style. Remember, embracing the old money aesthetic isn't about following strict rules. It's about finding what resonates with you and making it your own. So, let's keep this conversation going. What are some modern trends you see that fit into this aesthetic? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's kick things off with our first outfit idea, pairing white pants with a classic button-up shirt. This combination is not just a staple, it's a timeless look that exudes sophistication and grace. Imagine stepping out in this ensemble, feeling fresh and polished, whether you're heading to a brunch with friends or a leisurely stroll along the beach. White pants serve as a versatile base, allowing you to pair them with various shirt styles and colors. Opt for a light blue button-up for a soft, inviting look, or go with a classic striped shirt to add a bit of flair. The beauty of this outfit lies in its adaptability. You can dress it up with silk shirts for a more luxurious vibe, or keep it casual with breathable linen. To elevate the look further, consider adding a slim belt to define your waist. It adds a structured touch that pulls the outfit together beautifully. Picture this: a blue striped shirt layered over a simple white tank, high-waisted white trousers, and a sleek brown belt. Finish off the ensemble with matching brown sandals, a stylish straw bag, and delicate gold accessories like a classic watch and small hoop earrings. This outfit not only feels intentional but also radiates an unmistakably refined air. So, have you tried this combination before? What are your go-to pieces for achieving that effortless elegance? Let's discuss in the comments below. Now, let's move on to our second outfit idea, the contrast trim cardigan paired with tailored pants or jeans. This piece is a game changer when it comes to adding a touch of sophistication to your everyday look. The beauty of a contrast trim cardigan lies in its ability to bring structure and elegance without sacrificing comfort. Imagine slipping on a navy cardigan with white piping or a classic black one with cream details. This combination channels a refined yet approachable energy, making it perfect for various occasions, from casual outings to more polished events. You can easily wear it over a crisp white t shirt and style it with straight leg dark denim for a chic, put together look. One great example is wearing that cardigan over a simple tee, paired with tailored pants for a business casual environment. Add a black belt to define your waist and black leather loafers for that polished finish. This ensemble not only feels comfortable, but also looks effortlessly stylish, ideal for a coffee date or a day at the office. The contrast of the structured cardigan against the relaxed fit of jeans creates a wonderful balance, embodying the essence of modern old money style. So, have you ever tried this cardigan look? What colors or styles do you think work best? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Next up, let's explore the elegant pairing of a blazer with a fluid satin skirt. This combination is truly a standout when it comes to embodying the old money aesthetic, as it beautifully contrasts structured tailoring with soft flowing fabric. Picture this. You're dressed for a sophisticated lunch date or an evening gathering, and you feel both composed and feminine. A sharp blazer adds a touch of poise to your outfit, while a satin skirt introduces an element of movement and shine, creating a harmonious balance. For a classic look, consider styling a burgundy blazer over a simple neutral tank top and pairing it with a cream-colored satin skirt. This combination not only looks stunning but also offers versatility. You can transition seamlessly from a daytime event to an evening soiree without changing a single piece. To finish off the outfit, opt for burgundy heeled shoes that match your blazer and a structured handbag to tie everything together. Adding delicate gold earrings and a set of dainty rings can enhance the understated glamour of your look. This ensemble speaks volumes through its quiet luxury, ensuring that you make a lasting impression without ever appearing to try too hard. So, have you ever experimented with this combination? What colors do you think work best for this look? Let's chat about it in the comments below. Now let's talk about the chic combination of a button-up shirt with tailored shorts. This pairing is perfect for warm weather, allowing you to achieve a polished yet relaxed look that embodies the essence of the old money aesthetic. Imagine stepping out on a sunny day, feeling both comfortable and stylish. This outfit makes that possible. Button-up shirts bring a sense of structure and sophistication, while tailored shorts add ease and breathability, creating a balanced duo that's ideal for various occasions. To stay within a refined color palette, opt for soft hues like baby blue, white, or pale yellow for your shirt, and pair it with high-waisted shorts in neutral tones like beige, ivory, or navy. For instance, picture yourself wearing a crisp white button-up tucked into navy-tailored shorts, accentuated with a thin brown belt at the waist. Finish the look with brown block-heeled shoes, a structured brown handbag, and stylish sunglasses to protect your eyes while keeping the ensemble chic. A gold watch can add a touch of elegance and warmth to your outfit. This ensemble perfectly combines classic elements with subtle sophistication, making it a go-to choice for spring and summer events. So, have you tried this stylish pairing before? What's your favorite way to wear shorts in the warmer months? Let's share our ideas in the comments below. Let's move on to our fifth outfit idea: pairing a striped top with neutral trousers. This combination is not only simple, but also iconic, making it a must-have in your spring and summer wardrobe. Picture yourself in this outfit, effortlessly blending casual comfort with elevated style, which is the hallmark of the old money aesthetic. Stripes add a subtle charm to any look, giving it visual interest without overwhelming your outfit. Choosing a striped top in classic colors can make this piece incredibly versatile. When paired with tailored trousers in soft tones like cream beige or taupe, you achieve a perfect balance of structure and elegance. For a great example, imagine wearing a striped t-shirt tucked into cream trousers. To elevate the look, Define your waist with a black belt, which adds a polished touch. Slip into black ballet flats for comfort, and carry a structured black tote bag to complete the ensemble. Don't forget to accessorize with black sunglasses, a silver watch, and a pearl bracelet to add a touch of understated glamour. This outfit captures the essence of minimalist sophistication, making it suitable for everything from casual outings to more formal settings. So, what do you think? Have you ever worn a similar combination? I'd love to hear how you style your striped tops in the comments below. As we wrap up our stylish journey today, let's take a moment to reflect on the timeless elegance we've explored together. The old money aesthetic is truly about embracing sophistication and confidence through your wardrobe choices. It's not just about the clothes you wear, it's about how you carry yourself and the statement you make with your style. We've uncovered some fantastic outfit ideas, from the classic pairing of white pants and a button up shirt to the chic contrast of a blazer and satin skirt. Each of these looks is designed to help you express your individuality while embodying that refined luxury that old money represents. Remember, the key is to choose pieces that resonate with you and make you feel empowered. Now, I encourage you to try out these styles and experiment with your own unique touches. What combinations are you excited to try? Have you discovered any personal favorites along the way? Your thoughts and experiences matter, and I'd love to hear all about them in the comments below. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. If you found value in this video, don't hesitate to share your insights and keep the conversation going. Let's continue to inspire each other on our style journeys. Until next time, stay graceful, stay confident, and keep dressing beautifully.